Now let's talk about the white front pocket front zipper. So this is gonna be the same feel like the one we had at the couple weeks ago that had the adjustable on the back, but this one is gonna have this zipper on the front. I love bras with zipper on the front because it's so much easier to take it out, especially after a sweaty workout, and it just makes it more comfortable. So it's gonna have that same feel pattern. It does have texture to it. The little polka dots, they're white on white, and the bag is adjustable just like the one we have couple weeks ago. The difference is that it has a zipper here that with one more rep slogan there, and this band right here in the front, this almost feels kind of like that wetsuit material. It's a little bit like thicker and stretchy fabric. I really like it. It has the little cap here on the bottom, so the zipper won't scratch you. It will just protect your skin. It will be nice and soft. And about right there, the material is different. It's more of elastic, but still covered on the same, no, not same, but thinner fabric, just like a white fabric that is covering the elastic. I'm having a hard time talking today. Anyway, I feel like that is just really cool. That's gonna make super comfortable. This is not gonna dig because this doesn't have stitch. It's just the nice fabric, but still will give you support. I will say pretty similar to the one we had last week. I keep saying last week, but it was a few weeks back. So I will say medium to high support, removable caps, the adjustable on the back, and the zipper on the front. So all wonderful, wonderful things. It has really good coverage here, strappy work on the back. So really good. True to size, or you can even size down. I feel like usually I'm in between sizes. I wear extra small or small. I tried the small and it was really, really loose. So if you have smaller cap size, I think you can totally size down. But also it has the adjustable thingies, so you can adjust that if you need more support. So I think staying true size is pretty safe, but if you know you're really usually very slim, you can size down. I feel like the fit will be a little bit kind of like the strappy Luxe bra. If you're familiar with that, that will be similar to this. So anyway, beautiful option, white, and the front zipper. There is not a lot more to say. That is just what I love the most.